Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, where Biafra is not just only our identity, it is our faith. Here, we stand firm in our devotion to the cause and to our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, champion leader of the Indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected to the heartbeat of the resistance. Thanks for watching, and may Biafra rise.
I know that this video will go viral. The only person that will speak now and people will listen is only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And he's telling me, and we are praying for peace to reign. Amen. 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 Let me tell you something. Lift your hands up, people of God. My concern is I want peace to reign. And I'll be praying for this country, for God's intervention. Now, I know that this video will go viral. I've prayed and prayed for the killings. Igbo land, Igbo, the southeast region was the most peaceful region in Nigeria. A home of hospitality. But recently, it's killing. To the extent that people are afraid of traveling to their village. Shall it continue like this? So we lift hand up for God. And I'm using this opportunity, Igbo people, to my own understanding, because I am legally entitled to my opinions and my views. And my view and my opinion is that the 5 state governors, the governor of Anambra State, Governor Soludo, the governor of Imo State, Governor Hope Uzodimma, the governor of Enugu State, Governor Ifeanyi Buruburu, the governor of Ebonyi, Governor Omai, right? Governor of Abia State, Governor Okezie Bazu. If these 5 governors can come together with the senators and go and beg federal government, because whether you believe it or not, Igbo people, to my own understanding, have lost hope in their leaders. The only person that will speak now and people will listen is only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So, I am on my knees. Listen, because you don't know what is happening in Osihitokwa, how people are dying. If the senators in the southeast and governors in the whole southeast can go and beg the federal government, I know federal government will listen. That the only solution to this crisis I'm seeing is that if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu come out and say, let there be peace, there will be peace. So I am kneeling down, begging. I'm kneeling down begging for the sake of people that are dying. Let the governors and the senators, let them go and beg the federal government. The way it is now, 5 state governors together with the senators together with Ohaneze and Igbo, nobody, people are not ready to listen to them. I don't know if you are listening to what I'm saying.
Yes, sir.
So what I think that will solve this problem and there will be peace is that if they go to beg them, I believe that you can't quench fire with the fire. I believe that the way forward is dialogue and there will be peace. So if they go to federal government, please, for the sake of innocent women dying, innocent men dying, let this man come out. I believe there will be peace. And I'm kneeling down, begging the governor of Anambra State, begging the governor of the whole governor in Southern and senators to go and beg federal government for the sake of their people. Igbos like business so much. But for you to know that ideology is already created, people are willingly closing their jobs every Monday. I don't know whether you understand it. Igbo people, you know, cannot close their business for any reason. But every Monday, even though the governors have come out and said we're going to market, there's still, that shows that they have come to, millions are following the man called Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And I'm begging, even for federal government, I am on my knees begging them, begging the governors. If you go to Osu, if you go to Secession, if you go to Asia, everybody is running. Are we going to Uli? Are we going to continue like this? And the worst part is that the innocent people are dying. So as we lift hand up, these thousands of people all over the world, that this message should get to our leaders. Let them go and beg the federal government. Let Mazi Nnamdi Kanu be released. And if he is released, I believe if he speak, he is the only man that will speak and the youth will listen. So I am begging the federal government, I'm begging Ohaneze, I am begging the governors, for the sake of people dying. If everybody die, who will you govern? So that is my beg. I will still beg on Sunday. And I believe it will reach them. Wave that phone. We call the angels of God to go and pass this message. To know that I am coming for peace. I am begging. I am kneeling on the ground. On my knees on the ground. The killing is too much. Burning of houses is too much.
Let's sewing machine. Sewing machine in Mazu. Look at. This is Osu. What the army people did in Osu, close to Ekututu, opposite Obianeri police station. This is shop. About 5 shops consumed. Look, this is tailoring machine. That's generator. This is somebody's business. Just look at. About 6-7 shops in a line. All got fire. Just look at. All got fire. Just imagine. This is Osu. They all got fire.
Nobody knows where to run to again. So I pray this message will give them in peace. Even our dear president, that when they pass this message to him, he should know that he is the father of the nation, right? And they have mercy for people in the southeast. The only person they will listen is Nnamdi Kanu.